are at Sabi Sabi Bush Lodge. Hi. Hello. Very elegant. Hi, we're at Sabi Sabi Bush Lodge. This is our second stop, Kruger National Park. This is very upmarket. It's for those that are looking for all exclusive, all inclusive, something a little bit special. Let's have a look. Our entry area. Over here we have a lounge. These can actually be 2 single beds for children. Come out on the veranda. The wildlife comes right up to across from our room. So this is an all-inclusive resort, which means it includes all your meals, so 3 a day, breakfast, lunch, dinner, your game drive, so 3 hours in the morning, 3 hours in the afternoon. We've already been out this morning and we saw lots of interesting things. Included also on this side, safe, the wine glasses, because you'll need those, because over this side is your all-inclusive minibar, which is stocked daily for you when you're out on safari. And up the top here, we've got an espresso coffee machine for coffee lovers. So you've got a super-sized, king-size bed. Say hi to Harry the giraffe. These rooms are air-conditioned, which is nice. So this would have to be one of the biggest bathrooms I've ever seen. Hi, just relaxing. 2 showers, indoor and outdoor, so you can keep an eye on the animals. This is an elephant that's come to visit us at Sabi Bush Lodge itself, just right out the front. So you can watch the elephants. And sunbake by the pool at the same time. Very special experience.